Hey guys, it's me Kate, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get two hairs on one. So if you go into your avatar and go to hair, press closing and then hair, and say I wanted to do the purple hair with the cinnamon hair, it won't work. So I'm showing you guys how to do it. Well, first of all, I'm just going to go in the catalog and find what I want, since I actually haven't bought it yet. Hair. Now I'm going to go actually in accessories, I think. That is way too much money. So I'm just going to find the one that I want. So I'm going to type in brown. Bang. I want the beautiful brown hair for beautiful people. Okay, after I've done that, you don't have to buy another one. I do. And after that, you're just going to go to clothing and go to hair. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open these, link a new tab by just pressing the right button on your mouse, sorry. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy these numbers. So mine's 137455548, but it doesn't have to be that number, whatever hair you want. And then you want to go back onto your avatar and then closing hair. And then you want to press advanced. And then you want to hold up. Then you want to make sure you're taking your hairs off. So advanced. And you're just going to paste it in. You can press Control V. And I'm actually not going to save that. Okay. Cancel. Hold up. Okay. Control V. And then now what you're going to do is you're going to paste the other numbers of the other one, which mine is 1787734. So I'm just going to paste that and go back into your avatar and do a new one of this thingy, a rest ID, and press save and press save again, and then bam. As you can tell, both are on, and there you have it. Mine looks a little weird, so I'm going to change it. Like, it does not look that great. So I'm going to go to my accessories. I'm going to take off my spy cap. But yeah, that's how you do it. And like, you can change your faces and stuff to really whatever you want. But I'm just going to keep it as that. The catching snowflake, even though it's not winter. And I look a little weird, but you can like mix, like you can try different things and all that stuff. And yeah, I'm just going to take it off because I don't really like it. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. Peace. Dab on it.